Okay, so we're here looking at our first proof, which is the TANCHORD theorem, grade 11 and grade 12. First, what is the theorem say? This is Krazifizix, making math and science easy. We know that there is a line called a tangent, which touches the circle just at one point, point C. And we have a chord. Now, what are we saying? The angle between a tangent, that's a tangent, and a chord, which is this angle, right, is equal to the angle subtended by that chord in the alternate segment. Check there, angle A. So we're saying angle BCD is equal to angle A. We want to prove it. Now, let's quickly run through the proof before we start writing down so that it becomes easy. First is, there are different variations. I'm using one of the variations. We'll construct a straight line from one end to the other, but it must pass through the center. Let's call this P. Now, if you notice, this line is a diameter, and that actually divides our circle into two. Now, construct and join this one too. Remember, don't construct on the angle you are working with. Okay, so we're working with angle A. We're not going to do anything on that. By doing that alone, we've created two angles, and I want us to see something. We've created an angle 90 here, angle in a semicircle. We have also created a 90 there, tan rad, tan perpendicular to radius. Let's demarcate our angle C for proper labeling, angle C1 and angle what? C2. So what do we do? Let angle C1 be x. Just make, I like making it x, it becomes easy. Now, if that is x, angle C2 will be 90 degrees minus x. I hope that makes sense. 90 degrees minus x. Then, looking at this triangle, oh, I know what angle P would be. Angle P would be x, sum of angles in a triangle. Then, I can use this and this. Angles subtended by same chord or angles in the same segment, your butterfly. Angle A, therefore, will be equal to x. I hope that makes sense. Let's quickly run down and write the proof of everything that we said. First is to construct COP and then join PB. You must write all of those and also show your construction. Construct what? COP and also join what? CP. Okay, so COP is a diameter. Angle B, therefore, equals to what? 90. But before I write that, can I quickly say, let angle, let's just quickly put which one is x. Let angle BCP, the one we want us to prove, BCD rather, be equal to what? Which is C1, and that is equal to x for clarity. Okay, now by doing that diameter, let's go back. We constructed COP, so angle B is 90 degrees. All right, and we also said the whole of angle C, do you see? Angle C, PCD is 90 because of what? Tan perpendicular to radius. Let's start from there and make it progressive. PCD equals to 90 degrees. What's your reason? Tangent perpendicular to what? Radius. Okay, which makes angle C2, do you see I've already labeled it, so it's easy for the examiner to go there as 90 degrees minus x. Lovely. But then angle B equals to what? 90 degrees. What's the reason? Angle in a semi what? Circle. Beautiful there. You can use that to represent a semicircle, which therefore makes angle P now is equal to x. What's your reason? Sum of angles in a triangle. Let's go back for clarity and quickly show you again what we said. That is 90. If this is x, this is 90 minus x. We constructed this, which makes this 90. You must write everything down. Now, P is equal to x. That's where we are. But P and A are in the same segment, subtended by the same chord. So angle A equals to angle P. Check. And we are done. Angle A, therefore, is equal to angle P, which is equal to x. Do you see that? So angle A is equal to angle C1, which is x. And what is angle A? If we go back, it's angle A. But what is angle C1? Angle C1 is BCD. Lovely. Angle A, therefore, is equal to angle BCD. Proven. And that's our TANCHORD. This is Krazifizix, making math and science a lot easy. Download more on our Krazifizix study app or reach out to us. Our math and science, making life easy. Goodbye.